Okay, push the button. Put it back down. Your worm's all the way at the top. Push the button, sweetie. Now let it go down. There you go. Okay, now reel it in a little bit. Yep, there's the worm. You gotta push the button. Put it back down there. You got it? Yeah. You got one. Daddy. Oh, this is a big one, Daddy. He needs your help. Whoa! You got it.
Yeah.
Good job, Will Will. Yay, Will.
Dude, give me 2 5s, dude.
All right, look at that fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get
Just a second. Daddy's gonna get the pliers or get the fish off, okay?
Okay.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Are you like fishing? Our little fisherman.